So our almond milk is ready. We need to transfer it in something, in a bottle or something like that. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna taste it. Hello everyone and welcome back to HomeFoodCook. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make almond milk. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you. Let's begin. For this recipe you will need 200 grams of almond. I put them in water and let them soak for 24 hours, and then we need to wash them and clean them. 1 liter of water and 4 dates. So I have already soaked my almonds for 24 hours and I just washed them. If you want, you can peel the skin before we pour it in the blender, or you can let the skin because we're gonna strain it after we blend it. So you need a blender. We need to put the almond in the blender. I'm gonna put them. And we put the 4 dates and 1 liter of water. And now all you have to do is blend it for 2 minutes and a half. Okay, so I finished blend the almonds. After you finish blend them, you let them rest for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now we need to strain it. We use the strainer. Very strong almond taste and smell. Now all this almond pulp, we need to pour it in cheesecloth or a fine mesh so we can have more almond milk out of it. So what we're gonna do is take another container and put the cheesecloth on top, and then put this in the cheesecloth. So here I have another container with the cheesecloth on top of it. We're gonna put this here. Okay, so now I need to press. As you can see, there is more almond milk. I've already washed my hand. You need to press until nothing comes out. You can turn like that. It's like cooking no? Nice. There is more. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now with the cheesecloth again, we need to put the almond milk that we extracted earlier. We need to pass it through the sieve again, and the cheesecloth, because as you can see there is some particles left, so we need to filter it very well. The smell is very good. So all this pulp, I'm gonna put it here, and then we take the cheesecloth, like the first step. And we filter it. Guys, if you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So our almond milk is ready. We need to transfer it in something, in a bottle or something like that. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna taste it. Cheers. Oh yeah. It's not sweet. Yeah. The almond taste is here. No sweet. It's not sweet. If you like sweet, then you can add more sugar. I don't like sugar, so it's really good for me like that. Oh, believe it or not, it's the first time I do this. I've never did this in the past. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe for the future updates, and see you next time. Bye bye.